Good morning, YouTube. My name is Brandon. I'm with Paws and Jaws Outdoors here in Michigan. Just finishing up a stand on this rainy, foggy morning. Just wanted to go over a few things on what I use to help with success. Not that I'm a professional, but just a little things that keep me killing coyotes here and there on my stands. So, I know everyone loves ATN. I've just got this Thor LT. This is what I started with about 3 years ago. Mounted on the rifle, and now it's retired to tied a little string around it. Stays on my neck for just a scanner. It's a little bit big, but it gets me by. Gets the job done. Don't need nothing too fancy. Oh, here, they're just coyotes. Alright, for calling them in, I'm using the Fox Pro X2S. A lot of people are using them. Great call. Play 2 sounds at once. Helped a lot this morning with this guy right here. Every once in a while, I prefer MFK reeds. This one here is the competition howler. I do like their blackout too. Those are probably my 2 favorites. Just to throw in here and there, howling with my electronic call. That's what I'll use a lot of times. I'll use a little stool if the weeds aren't too high. If it's a lot of flat fields and snow like this, usually I'm sitting, I can get a little bit more of a stable shot for them long distance coyotes. My tripod, just a regular camera tripod. I didn't want to spend nothing $400 or $500 on a tripod just because it's a shooting tripod. This one's rated for like 50 or 60 pounds. It works plenty for what I need it for. My rifle is a Spec Arms Alpha Defender, made by a small little company right here in mid-Michigan. It's chambered in .223 Wild. I prefer the Sierra Blitz Kings. That's what I shoot out of it. This barrel likes the 69 grains, seems to shoot the tightest. And then up top, I just run the AGM Adder TS35 by 384. Seems to do really well. I have no complaints with it thus far. I've got it, I've probably got about 7 months on it now, or so. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there knocking over these coyotes. That's my passion. That's what I love to do. Stay on them, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see and you want to see more, like and subscribe. Thank you.